When you're ready to reinstall the chain, you need to make sure that your chain is facing the right direction before you actually put it on the bar. So you want to make sure that your teeth here are pointing the arrows forward, or you can see that there's a C in these, kind of like Pac-Man. It eats around the bar into the wood. So what you want to do is put the bar chain back on the bar, like this, and then put it on the sprocket, slide it over the bar stud, and back into the tensioning peg. Then you can put your side cover back on and loosely put the bar nut on. Make sure that these little indentations and logos are facing outwards. Just put it on loosely. That way you can tighten the bar and pull the chain up. Now when you do this, you might want to spin it around a few times. Put the brake off. Then I'll drop it back down and make it sit back in that bar. To tighten it correctly, you need to pull up on the bar and let the chain come up to the bar until it is snug. And again, you can spin it around. One last final. And you can see right here how the chain is just barely touching the bottom of the bar. That's where you want it. And while still holding up on the bar, go ahead and retighten the bar nut.